Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Tuesday, August 10th, 3:49 p.m. New York time. 10 more minutes, 11 more minutes before the U.S. stock market closes. Let's look at the broad markets. Again, each candle is a week. Since it's Tuesday, the current candle is not done yet. But the SP 500 is at an all-time high. Look at that. Small trading range for the week. Think we're going to have a pullback this week? We'll be back tomorrow. NASDAQ 100 is not at an all-time high. It's an inside candle for the week. It's struggling. And within the S&P 500, within the NASDAQ 100, there's a particular sector that's holding it up. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also made an all-time new high. The Russell 2000, no, it's not even above the high of last week. The high of the year is all the way back here. The Russell 2000 is struggling. The Dow Transports did break above the high of last week, but still in this consolidation, way off the highs. The Dow Utilities inside the range of last week, gunning for the high of the year. Interesting. Dividend heavy index instead of growth. So now you see only two of them are making all-time new highs for the year. Well, let's go deeper. Look at the sectors in the S&P 500. There's 11 sectors in the S&P 500. Look at the first. First is technology. Stock symbol XLK. That's a stock ETF. Makes up 20.8% of the S&P 500. And since it's technology, it's down for the week. We'll make a higher high for the year, but it's back inside the range of last week. It's big in the NASDAQ also. XLV, healthcare, makes up 14.9% of the S&P 500. So the all-time high was last week. And look at now, small trading range. We're inside. We didn't get out of the prior week. Very interesting this. XLF, the financials, stock symbol XLF, like I said, makes up 13.7% of the S&P 500. We're gunning for that all-time high. Yeah, the financial sector. Strongly bull. Look at that. Each week, higher highs, higher lows. Maybe we'll hit the all-time high before the end of the week. XLY, consumer discretionary, makes up 10.2% of the S&P 500. Inside candle for the week, so small trading range. We're not at the all-time high any longer, which is up here. XLC, communication services, makes up 9.9% of the S&P 500. Small trading range for the week already. Yep, all this is suspicious. A lot of inside candles for the week still. Interesting. XLI, industrials, makes up 9.7% of the S&P 500. Also inside candle for the week. below the all-time high. Again, very suspicious, these inside candles. If they don't break out this week, will the next week be lower low, be rolling over? Well, be cautious. We're at an all-time high and a lot of things are not following through. XLP, consumer staples, makes up 6.7% of the SP 500, did break above the high of last week, gunning for that high again. XLE, energy, makes up 6%, inside candle from the prior week, small trading range area. And it's also building consolidation here. The momentum has been down to the retracement. The retracement struggling here. Yeah. XLU, utilities, makes up 2.8% of the SP 500, another inside candle for the week, almost at the all-time high. Maybe it benefits from the passing or the pending new policy from Congress and the White House for infrastructure. XLRE, real estate, makes up 2.7% of the S&P 500. Yep, it sold off already below the low of last week. Prior week was all-time high and sold off. Are we going lower? Well, we already see you had this breakout here, trending there and pull back. See what happens at the end of the week. Wow. XLB materials makes up 2.5% in the S&P 500. So here's the all-time high. It's trending. Came into this same, where this is, this red horizontal line is a supply zone for sellers. Yep, huge sell-off. That was impulse move. That big red candle, impulse move. Understand that key word. Consolidation, deeper retracement. So at that key point. It's not done for the week yet. Let's see if we break through there and close above that. That's good. That's good. That's what you're looking for. A break above this and a close above it. That would be a bullish. So look for the strongest stocks in that sector. Materials. Let's go on to the next. What's next? The FANG. The FANG stocks. Apple is not at all-time high. Look at that. 2 weeks in a row. Inside candles. Both solid bodies are red. Yeah, it looks like distribution possibly. Microsoft, outstanding, all-time high for the year. Outstanding, strong like bull, but less volumes bringing it up here. Looks like distribution. So won't expect maybe further pullback. Amazon, yeah, it's struggling. Huge sell-off 3 weeks ago. Now inside candle for the week, solid body, and haven't even taken out the higher prior week yet. So I want to expect the momentum might bring it further down. Very concerning. But you had opportunity to reload at a cheaper price. It's just how much lower is it going? How much pain until more people unload it? So sit on hands. The opportunity will come to buy this again. And I don't think it's going to be around this price level. I think it might go lower. Facebook, small trading range, did break above the high of last week. Yeah, look at that. Nice rejection of that midpoint above. So that still looks strong. Facebook and Amazon, Facebook and Microsoft still look strong. Google, rolling up. Just shy of all-time high, but smaller trading ranges. And Tesla, oops, not looking good. Inside candle from last week's small trading range. And look at that, last week candle closed almost near its low when it did break above this consolidation. So this would be interesting to build more consolidation. Staying above 700, one would expect there's trade opportunities right down here, right now. You still got 3 minutes before the market closes, right down here. Bull put spreads, there are opportunities. If you think it's going to stay above 600, stay above 650, there's trade opportunities right here to get monthly income. November, Victor Delta Alpha, inside candle for the week. Still gunning for that all-time high. And Netflix, oh boy. Inside candle for the week, struggling. Look at this consolidation. Way off the high for the year. Struggle. Bravo Alpha. Inside candle for the week, near the low. Near the record low almost. Not good. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video. And Please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.